Makakapasok ba kayo dito sa loob at makakaupo? Nako, napakadami namin performance. Jesus ngayong kahapon. Ako yun ang familiar!
Hello. Friends.
Super familiar! Ano naman pinunta mo dito?
Promote the Philippine cinema.
Yeah.
Oh, hindi lang ako promote ng tama. Thank you po sa pagpunta. Kinabahan naman ako. Ay nako, kung alam lang ng Robinsons Manila na napakabigatin ng mga nakaupo ngayon dito. Hello po, sir. Sa pagpunta. Sino pa po? Yung barista mo sa Starbucks. Wow. Hello po. Nakuha na ng mga feelings na. Hindi po sa pagpunta. Sino na? Napalakasan mo yung friend nyo? Okay, umakyatin na natin yung mga nahanap ng ating mga mabubuting kaibigang oso sa likod. Okay. Nakatayo lang sila. Ayan. Ay, hindi na. Wala na pong ano tayo, chairman of the board. Wow, ang ganda na upuan namin. Italiano gold. Okay. Sige. Pauna natin paakyatin yung babae. Hello. Ay. Naku. Para siyang model. Wait lang. Ayan. Dahan-dahan lang po. Ayan. Palo! Ay, ito na rin naman yung lalaki. Akyat na po. Ayan. Handa ka na bang magbago ang buhay mo? Pagkatapos ng 10 taon, makakakita ka na ulit. Bagong-bago na ang mundong kinalakihan mo. Ang una mong makikita pagbulat mo. Ngayon nakita mo na si Jericho. Ano ulit ang masasabi mo naman this time?
Hello?
Ikaw, Jericho, maganda ba si JV?
Of course,
Okay, dahil match kayo, bibigyan namin kayo ng ticket sa premiere night ng The Loved One. Okay ba sa'yo, JV, na manonood kayo magkasama? Okay sa'yo, ikaw.
Yes, ma'am.
Anong gusto niyo upuan? Magkatabi o magkahiwalay? Ha? Magkahiwalay? Sige, dahil magkahiwalay, ikaw ano gusto mo?
Same thought.
Ay, ang bait mo naman. Sige, ilalagay namin kayo sa upuan dun sa pinakaharap. Yung may blue. Yung laging naka-occupy agad. Okay, thank you! Mahina. Hindi nakaka-proud. Isa pa. Mag-ingay ang mga naghihintay sa vision! Kaya hindi ko narinig, spinner ka ng spinner eh. Makating ko yun. Huwag na nga. Okay, sa mga naghihintay kay Ann Curtis! Oh, dami. Kay Jericho Rosales! Katrina Magray! Gamit na gamit. Kay Ina Evans! I love you guys! Okay, ngayon hindi ko na papatagalin dahil nga ngayong February 11, showing na ang The Loved One. So sa lahat po ng mga bumili ng ticket ngayon, maraming salamat dahil mamaya po ay makakaroon kayo ng chance para magkaroon ng high-buy session kasama ang ating mga cast. At syempre, ma-avail rin ang ating mga freebies sa gilid. Meron tayong tarot card, ticket coffee, bracelet and bag charm from Craft Car & Co. and Star Studio Photo Booth. So, thank you po. At maraming salamat Robinsons Manila sa pagpayag na dito tayo mag-kick off ng ating mall show para sa The Loved One. So ngayon, ang sabi po ng aking index card, tanggalin ko lang ng iba. For our first performer, she is a 22 years old stunner. Exacto. Pero totoo, she's a 22-year-old Filipina-Irish singer-songwriter who recently joined the roster of Viva Record Artists. Oh, alam naman natin kapag mga Viva artists na kumakanta, talagang pasabog yan. She's a promising young musician. She began writing music at 13. Ano ginagawa ko ng 13 years old? Parang nag-iinom na ako ng charot. Okay, and she released her first song at 16, which led to major opportunities including tours with international artists like Sam Smith and The Script. So pasabog to na, okay? So wag na natin patagalin pa for our very first performance. Magpalakpakan tayo para kay Andrea! Hello!
My gosh! Raya Anna, Raya Abel, Raya Priscilla, at kanya, Raya. And of course, we would like to invite you to please check out our music on all streaming platforms. And for more content and updates, you can follow us at Raya Page Official on all social media platforms.
Kaya, The Last Dragon. Charot. Hello naman sa inyo! Maganda! Sino ang pinakamatanda? Ilang taon na?
16 po. Si 16.
Ang ganda mo. Ramila Mateo.
21 na po.
Ang mabata niyo pa. Ay, nako. Kaedad na kaedad ko kayo. Nako, napanood niyo ba yung trailer?
Yes.
Sige, magtaas ng kamay ang minamahal.
Lahat yan.
Okay. Sino naman sa inyo ang nagmamahal?
We all share.
O sino ang para sa inyo ngayong paparating na February 11 pag lalabas ng The Loved One, sino ang isasama niyong loved one? Isa-isa, bawal showbiz.
Kasama namin ang race namin.
Okay, wala na talaga.
Family.
Family, friends, race. Yun lang, enough na.
Very enough.
Okay, palakpakan natin ang Raya! So, napakalamig ng boses nito. Malamig pa sa aircon ng Robinsons Manila. Okay? Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Let's give it up. Palakpakan natin, France!
I'm friends with the SC.
France!
With the H. Si Andrea with an Isa pa.
Hello, Robinsons Manila. My name is Franz. I'm a singer-songwriter from Cornerstone Music. And I'm
Wow,
also a
Cornerstone,
singer-songwriter from Pampanga. So,
Bago po lahat, papakilala po muna kami. Good show, we are Vision! The C13, Sam. Hey guys, I'm Franz. And this is Vince. Woo! And yan, malapit na po ang The Loved Ones. Kaya mapanoodin po natin yan sabay-sabay. And speaking of loved ones, kinanta po namin ang latest single ba po namin na Dapat Lang Ako Lang. So, para yan sa mga yung gusto mag-gatekeep, yung gusto nila na sila lang. Sila na yung minamahal. And speaking of that, i-follow niyo po ang aming mga social media accounts. It's at VXON Official para sa mga updates. And update, magkakaroon po kami ng first concert po namin. It's called Vision Kalawakan. Abangan po namin kayo dyan. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan sa Skydome, February 28.
And habang nag-aantay po tayo sa aming first ever concert, abangan nyo rin po, this coming January 30, lalabas po ang aming second album na titled Pasakali. So mark your calendar, set your alarms, and we can't wait na i-share sa inyo yung mga songs namin.
Yes, and of course, thank you sa Cornerstone Music and sa ating Vixies na nandito. Ayun. Sabay-sabay po tayo, sabay-sabay po natin panoorin ang The Loved One.
Yes! And, eto na nga, since mahal namin kayo, loved ones namin kayo, this next song is sobrang, puno ng pagmamahal. Puno ng pagmamahal, tsaka puno ng init. So, handa na ba kayo for more? Hindi ko marinig. Wala. Isa pa. Handa ba kayo for more? Alright, this is Shed Sawain. Let's go!
From all over the world to the theater with the big screen, and they're gonna see Ian Pangilinan. We also have our guest actress and India, a huge blockbuster films. Always famous 18, joining the cast is an award-winning actress, Miss Max Eigenman. At syempre, ang ating paboritong actor, ilang taon na always charming, Sir Luis Alati. Ayan. Okay, so dito po, ayan na, si Ian Pangilinan, Max Eigenman, and grabe, kahit injured, nandito talaga, Luis Alati, yes, bagong gupit. Okay, ayan. At syempre, bago pa natin mapuntahin ng ibang cast ng The Loved One, meron lang tayong patikim sa inyong lahat. Let's all watch this. Visual aid reveal. Ito lang. Okay, photo op lang daw po. Para may pang-profile picture ako. Charot. Ayan. Kaninong camera ang gusto nyong gamitin? Ito. Ate, nare-recreate nyo daw ngayon. Okay. Ate Ann, Echo, dito daw po tayo. Nagayin daw natin to ngayon.
Seryoso ba?
Oo. Utos nila eh.
Surfer girls, dude, ang emote namin dyan.
Grabe, usap-usap pa dati yung mga headshot.
Dapat high angle.
Yan! Parang hindi tumatanda. Ganon-ganon pa din. Oh. Ang cute!
Ano yan po sa Baler, habang nagsushooting kami ng Baler.
Dapat pwede ko rin gawin yan dun sa iba para...
Ay, sino gusto mo ko yung ano?
Okay, ikaw.
Yes, at sabi na sana daw mag-iwakan ko mamaya. Ayan.
Meron, ano yan, DVD copy? Grabe yung DVD.
Para VCD to eh.
VCD, DVD. Gusto mo, game. Sali ka na, Echo, dali.
Hindi kayo daw sa ano eh. Yeah, this is
Super happy na ni Kuya Eric! Grabe yung DVD, hindi na yan alam ng Gen Z ngayon.
I know.
Pero ganyan ang ang saya ng panonood ng pelikula dati. Talagang kukuha ka ng kopya. Ayan. Okay, so ngayon, let us proceed. Meron daw tayong palaro. Huwag ko nang pasalayin si Kuya Luis kasi bagong ano siya eh. Oo, no? Ay, Kuya Eric, Thank you, Kuya Eric. Ayun, di ba? Talaga naman, nagkaroon siya ng fanboying moment. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon para sa mga na-loved one ay mag-TikTok challenge daw tayo way from mga hits ng 2016. So it's girls versus boys. Pero Kuya Luis, ako na to.
Friends of the press,
Yeah,
kasama
I saw
natin this afternoon
familiar faces. Hi.
for our Q&A. Are you guys excited?
Very excited.
Nervous? Bakit? Bakit ninenervyos? Kasi you've worked so many times already, bakit ninenervyos pa si Jericho?
Nervous na ako sa kung ano-ano pang mga surprise yung gagawin dito.
Wala naman!
Wala naman.
Okay naman. And ikaw, more excited than nervous?
Of course, I'm super excited. You know, we're finally nearing the day where we can show all of you what we've worked so hard on. So, sobra akong excited. Sana excited din kayo.
Kasi direct Irene kaya.
Nervyos at excited.
Okay.
Sabay.
Kanina magkausap kami backstage. Sabi ko sa kanya, Ann, Echo, bongga mo, kayo lang ang Valentine's movie, ah.
Oo nga.
Yes! Kayo lang!
The Filipino.
Filipino.
Oo.
Pinagkit nga niya yung Hollywood, sabi ko, direct naman. Siyempre, ano-ano rin namin yung The Loved One, di ba?
Yes, thank you.
I'm so excited. Okay, first question. Kasi tinatanong niya sa trailer parang, who's the lover, who's the loved one? Ang gusto ko malaman sa inyong anim, are you the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Walang gusto sumagot.
Wala gusto sumagot.
Sige, let's start with Max. Max, ikaw muna.
Pwede naman, nakapasok.
Hirap naman sagutin kasi single ako eh. No, pero kidding aside, I think na ako yung nagmamahal.
Oh.
In regard to all relationships in my life, whether it's a romantic one, a family member, or friendships, I like to take pride in the fact that I like to give.
Give love. I love it. Luis.
Tingin ko ako yung the loved one.
Wow!
Hindi kasi, sinabi ko nga nung tinanong ako, yung wife ko, sa dami ng mga, I'm older than her by 14 years eh.
Whoa.
Sa dami ng mga pinagdaanan ko mga kagaguhan sa buhay, she made me a better person than who I was before.
I love that.
Grabe na, ang lalim ka agad. Di ba? Ian, di ka naman.
I think definitely I like giving love, so I'm the lover.
Wow.
The lover.
Lover boy.
Yeah.
Ikaw ang nagbibigay din.
Yes, I
like
think
Max.
it's a very brave thing to love people. Yeah.
O yan, ganda nun ha. It's a very brave thing to love people. Direk, ikaw, I'm curious.
Gagayahin ko yung sabi ng manager ko, loveless. So I'm open to be the lover and the loved one.
Iba din sumagot ng director ninyo ha. Okay, Jericho, ikaw, are you the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Lover.
Lover boy.
Lover. But on certain days, also the loved one. Pero recently, tinuturuan ko yung sarili ko to receive love. I've been so used to, giving and giving and giving and giving. Pero may difficulty minsan receiving. So this time around, I'm learning to be the loved one.
Ganda. Miss Curtis?
I'm gonna say siguro a little bit of both because one, it takes a lot to love a crazy Aquarius like myself. So if you end up loving someone like me, I mean, it knows that you really love me, so the loved one. But when that happens, I give so much love. Hence, I become the lover.
Galing! Ganda! Parang Miss Universe sumagot ha. Iba din ha. Okay. Ito lang, para lang malaman ng ating friends of the press. I'm so curious. Months back, I spoke to Jericho. I interviewed him. And nadulas siya, nabanggit niya na he's doing a project with you. Gusto naming malaman, how did it start? Etong project ninyo, sinong nag-invite, sinong nag-initiate, direct anong nauna, kwento o cast? Go ahead.
Nauna yung kwento kasi 2018 ko pa siya sinulat. So, pre-pandemic concept and then
marami siyang pinuntahan. Producers, actors, and then the pandemic happened and everything stopped. Until kinuha ng Cornerstone, and then naghanap kami, saka ulit naghanap. And then I asked Echo, may kwento yon na nasa inbox niya lang to for some time.
No way!
Tapos, I also, when Echo was in na sa kwento, siya na lang magkikwento nung bago
Okay.
kami nagkita.
So hanggang doon tayo.
Hanggang doon yun.
Nasa inbox ni Jericho ang script.
Ang script, tapos si Ann naman kasi, lagi kaming nagko-communicate. So, if I have something crazy, I know Ann will get me. So, she read the script and she gets the whole concept.
Okay. Alright, Catriona Gray is here. Joining us. Tinawag ko na para dire-diretso na tayo. Alright. Bago natin ituloy yung kwentuhan about the concept, the story, Kat, bati ka muna please to everybody!
Hello mga yearners! Hi! I'm so sorry I'm running late, but I'm so happy that I could happen. Thank you so much sa pagpunta nyo, and I'm so excited, of course, to be a part of this incredible project, The Loved One. Kamusta kayong lahat?
We're good! Okay, humabol ka na kasi tumatagay na kami dito. Are you more of the lover or are you more of the loved one?
Dito naman sa kwento ng The Loved One.
No, in
okay?
real life!
In real life! Ay, okay.
Sabi sa'yo, tagay agad dito eh. Habol ka ka.
Agad. Siguro ako yung the lover. I'm a very loving person. I really am very affectionate.
Okay. Wait, naka-color-coded kayo. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Parang blue dito, maroon dito. May ibig sabihin ba yan?
My dance prod. Charot.
Okay. So, nabitin tayo sa kwento ni Direk Irene. Nagsimula yun na kay Jericho na yung script, nasa inbox niya, and then lagi naman kayo nag-uusap ni Anne when something crazy comes up. Jericho, we go to you. Nakita mo ba agad sa inbox mo yung script?
Oo.
Okay.
Nakita ko kagad. Nakita ko, tapos sabi ko ayoko muna mag-love story.
Oh!
Pero nung
What year was this?
24, 25? Mga ganon.
Early 2024 daw. Okay.
Yeah. And then nag-date kami ni Direk Irene. Kami muna yung nag-date. And then we got to know each other. And then and I said, let me read the script. And then after reading the script, wala na, I couldn't resist it. Yeah, and then I said, let's look for the right person. So I offered myself to be the hunter. Pero in-offer ko siya, yung story, in-offer ko siya kay Piolo, in-offer ko kay Gerald Anderson. I was declined many times.
Okay.
And
Sayang,
that's-
parang heated rivalry na
I know.
sana.
That's the only time I realized it had to be a female.
Okay.
I love heated rivalry.
I know, we all love it. Okay, we toss now to Anne. Paano ka nahanap? Paano ka napa-oo to do this?
You know, working with Direk Irene, yun na nga, we get each other's craziness.
Okay.
And it was like one random night, I messaged her and I told her like, I'm looking for something a little bit more mature when it comes to, telling a story about where love can lead you. And then that's when she said, you know what? I have a script. Ready na siya. May catch lang siya. At sabi ko, ano yung catch? Sabi niya, may leading man na. Sabi ko, sino yung leading man? Sabi niya, si Jericho. And working with Jericho has always been so easy. And, so we reconnected. So we reconnected again. And then a year after we started filming. So,
Wow.
a year, no? A year after.
Ayan, nag-meeting muna kami. And then, since schedule-wise, parang hindi pa yun yung timing. But we had a great night na parang getting to know na ulit. Tapos ikakwento. After that, sabi ko, I have the patience of a chair. I texted them. And I will wait for you guys to finish whatever it is that you're doing. Tapos, a year after yon, shoot kami, 2025.
It's always God's good time naman eh, di ba? May right time for everything. Para si Catriona, paano siya napapili to join and jump in the boat?
It's her debut!
I know!
It's the first time na nag-yes ako sa pelikula.
Actress era siya ngayon.
But of course, I really admire Direk Irene to start off with. We have run-ins all the time at the office. I really love her energy, and siguro meron akong feeling that you would really walk me through it, and she really did. And of course, when I heard who the other cast was, I'm very flattered naman to be considered as a very newbie. So it was an incredible experience for me. Everyone was so kind and accommodating. Now, they really didn't have to be, but I think it's just a testament to who they are as people and also who they are as actors. So I'm very proud to be a part of this as my first acting stint. But it is a really beautiful story, and siguro that was the biggest reason na bakit nag-yes ako.
Okay, before we entertain the questions from the press, meron lang tayong questions from the online world. Let me just read some of it. There's an OG international fan of Anne, si Mariel. Ang question niya, I've been a fan of your tandem in Baler at walang kubas ang chemistry ninyo. After all these years, how is it working with Echo? You slightly touched on this kanina. Sinabi mo it's always easy to work with Jericho.
I think it helps na parang doing this story kasi it's very apt for where we are in our lives also versus if we were to do this when I met him, I don't know ilang years na yun, almost 18 years ago, it would have been hindi kami bagay to portray these roles versus where we are now. I feel like it was the perfect timing. Kumbaga, kismet yung nangyari kasi ang daming pinagdaanan ng script, ang daming pinagdaanan ng cast din. Yeah. So I guess being able to work with Jericho, I feel like it was probably really meant to be. And he's always so easy and giving as an actor, as always. So was very happy to reunite with him for this project specifically.
On Jericho's side naman, ikaw naman, Jen. Jericho, ikaw naman.
Siyempre super kilig lagi to work with Anne.
Okay.
In a lot of ways kasi she has the right energy for every kind of project, whether it be something fun, heavy like action, ganyan, and love story. Every time I see her, sabi ko, huy, guest mo naman ako sa bypass, kahit mag-cameo lang ako, parang ganun. But it never happens. But ever since we worked on Green Rose and Baler, it always felt like there was, parang hindi siya tapos eh. Parang hindi tapos yung kabanata. So, I just a little I watched their movies in Naya, and siyempre namamatay ako sa inggit. And I was like, I need to be in that film. Ako yung film na yan, kasama sa film na yan. Until one day, it really happened now, and I'm so grateful. Nervous lang kasi si Anne mabilis kumilos. So, sa set, palagi siya nauuna sa set. So, I made it a point na at least maaga ako sa set pag siya na yung katrabaho kasi para hindi ako nalilate. Kasi she's such a pro, she's a professional.
Why ever since pa yun
Dati pa yun, ganun pa siya. Yeah, Green Rose pa lang nandiyan na sa set yan, bago lahat ng artista. But yeah, I love working with her. She's light and she got everything about the story. No need to explain. She had her input. Lahat ng pwede niyang ilatag na experience, the idea na was on the table. She's the type of actress that brings something to the table. So, tapos ang boxing. It was easy.
Sa kang galing mo, Ana, juggling a lot of things all together. All your projects na binubuo. Plus this.
Parang kakalma na muna ako.
Okay.
Marami naman ng tinrabaho ko last year ngayon lalabas. So parang
excited na lang akong i-share sa lahat.
Right.
But just to add what Echo said earlier, meron kaming eksena na parang na-realize niya na parang, oh, it's really happening. Yung balcony scene natin sa Makati na parang ito lang nakaka-work na nga si Direk Irene. So, nakakatuwa lang. It happened all at the right time and now it's going to be shared with everyone at the perfect time.
Exactly. February.
Oo, parang okay siya. Ito na yun talaga. So, yeah. Depends. Pero, yun yung maganda. Well, kasi kami ni Ann, kilala niya na ako. Alam niyang mahihain ako.
Okay.
So, nakikita niya ako kapag kausap ko yung DOP. Gusto niya pa ng isa, ayaw niya nang sabihin.
Siya lang yung nagkasalita, yung D.O. Okay. Luis?
Ako both si Anne at si Echo. How are you mag-best friend?
Oy, veterano na rin naman itong si Luis. Oy, aminin mo yan, Ann.
Maganda yung role ni Luis dito kasi siya yung naiipit sa gitna eh. Ako yung nagpakilala eh.
Ikaw mo na ang tulay. Max, ikaw.
I did most of my scenes with both Echo and Anne and Luis.
Wow. And Miss Gray?
Most of my scenes are with Echo.
Kamusta?
It was actually, I was very nervous. But not on Echo's part, just because it was a very new thing for me. But I'm very grateful because like Echo really made me feel comfortable, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you.
Wala kang eksena ni Ann?
Meron.
Okay.
Meron.
Pero most, parang aabangan namin yan, ha? Yung tinginan, yung tinginan yung dalawa, ha? Mukhang kaabang-abang yun. Okay. First question is from, I can't read it. Maganda ba movie? To Echo and Ann, since di ba? Maganda ba movie?
Maganda.
Maganda daw. Since multo ang soundtrack ng movie nyo, may pagkakataon ba na kinailangan yung harapin ang mga multo nyo sa pag-ibig? Grabe naman yung unang tanong.
Yung unang tanong, maganda ba yung movie? Maganda tong movie na to kasi nag-i-English kami dito eh.
Ay nako, English, Ann.
Oo, medyo taglish siya dito, medyo may English, kaya kung ayaw nyo, ay di huwag kayo manood. Alam nyo, honestly, that wasn't meant to blow up how it did. Parang, kunwari si Vice yung kausap ko at sinabi niya, ano ba yung movie nyo? Puro English. Ganon din ko naman siya sasagot, huwag ka manood. Ganun lang yun. It wasn't meant to be like a
Super pataray.
Parang ganun lang, hindi huwag ka manood. Ganun lang yun.
I-meme nyo na ha, sinabi na niya.
Hindi, ako talaga, huwag ka manood! De joke lang, binayaran ko yung tao na yun eh. Para makingay sa pelikula namin.
Oy, teka lang, di nyo na sinagot. Yung mga multo nyo sa pag-ibig.
Alam mo, medyo nasa ganun akong lugar ngayon na parang minsan baka hindi maganda busy. But that's okay. Sometimes we have our days and that day
Right.
was my day. So, tao lang naman tayo.
Jericho, may mga days ba na sometimes you have to face the ghosts of your past love?
Ouch!
Wala kang magagawa, Jericho. Yan ang pelikula nyo eh. Pelikula nyo yan eh.
Parang minumulto ka pa.
Correct.
Madami-dami. Madami-daming beses ako na nag-iisip na kino-compare ko lang kung paano ako dati. Kung paano ko siya gagawin ngayon. Ganun lang. And then, of course, kailangan mo accept yung sarili mo nung nakaraan. And you know na iba ka na ngayon. Parang ganun. I mean, I don't hate myself or anything. In-embrace ko lang yung multo na yun.
Galing.
Malamig.
Malamig. Ito, for direct daw, from Goldwyn Reviews.
Ako, Goldwyn ha, bigyan mo ng 5 stars ha.
Naabangan
Di
ko-
pa kita nakikita.
Naabangan namin to si Gold.
Ba't ka na nanakot? Agad, direct. Talaga to.
Joke lang, Goldwyn, huwag mo ako.
Sa dami ng love stories na ipinalabas na... let me rephrase that. Sa dami ng love stories na ipinalabas na, bakit ito? Anong pinagkaiba nito at bakit kailangan siyang panoorin sa sinihan?
Sa sinihan kasi bawal pumikit, bawal mag-cellphone. Dahil yung pelikula ay deconstruction ng pag-ibig. So paghimay sa isang relasyon na 10 taon. So kaya siya sa sinihan kasi kapag may na-miss kang eksena or nagsi-cellphone ka, mawawala ka dun sa experience. So that's why kaya yun yung hinihintay ng tao sa sinehan eh.
Yes.
Ano yung hindi ko panonoorin sa TV, sa bahay. So ganitong klase siya ng kwento, ganitong klase siya ng pag-ibig na dahil 10 taon yung relasyon, may mga bagay na malingat ka, mawawala ka sa kwento. Kaya dapat full attention. So that's the experience na makukuha mo only in the cinema.
Alright. Pero iiyak ba kami dito? Kikiligin?
May kilig at may hapde.
Hapdi?
Oo. Depende sa pinagdadaanan, yes. Depende sa pinagdadaanan.
Actually. Kasi kung masaya ka naman,
Oo. Baka konti lang yung luha mo kasi may naalala ka lang. Pag masaya ka. Pero pag hindi ka masyadong masaya ngayon,
yun, totoo ka dito.
You need to watch it sa cinema kasi date movie siya eh.
yeah.
And then even if you're going with your date, you'll realize kung sino sa inyo yung lover or the loved one. Kahit sa mga pagbabarkada, malalaman nyo na, ay, ikaw yung lover dito, ako yung loved one. Ganun siyang classic film. So, you can't say it's a happy film or a sad film because really it's for anyone who's ever fallen in love.
I have a question. Do you recommend that you watch this with your ex?
yes, kung gusto mo.
Kung gusto mo, kung matapang ka, kung matapang ka.
Kung matapang ka, baka pwede naman. Kasi
Diba?
I think so. I think you could watch it with your ex.
Sa panahon ngayon, pwede na yun.
As long as you guys are in good terms.
Oo.
Kasi pag hindi naman, ba't naman kayong manunaw together?
Okay na yun.
Pero kung malakas nga loob mo, di ba? Kahit fresh pa, tara, panoorin natin to.
Panoorin mo kasama mo yung ex, pero nandito ka, tas nandun siya.
Malayo. Catriona, do you recommend you watch this with your ex?
Pwede sa malayo na lang. Row A versus row B.
Okay. Mula kay, oh my God, I can't read that. Sherman Gamboa from Pageant Vlogger. Catriona, how was it like working with Anne and Echo?
It was great. I think I've already repeated myself, but siguro I was really nervous going into it just because I really respect them both equally in their craft, and they have so many years under their belt of experience. And so coming into the scene or coming onto the set with literally not even a day of experience on the film is very intimidating. But I feel that they both went out of their way not to make me feel that way. And so it was just such an enjoyable experience. I was really observing how everything goes. I was so amazed kasi magbabanter lang silang dalawa sa scene and then biglang kapag ready na ang camera, agad. And I was like, whoa, cool!
Si Catriona, kung sumagot, kala mo nasa pageant tayo na tayo nakatutok sa kanya, no? Girl, press con lang to, ha?
But you have to watch her sa screen because she's a natural.
Really? Kamusta direct? Kamusta siya sa screen, si Catriona?
Ano siya, natural, very instinctive. Very instinctive yung niya. And I'm so happy na pinaunlakan niya because she's been parang hesitating kasi nga paano ba umarte, ganyan yung first encounter sa niya. So direct I only know how to be excited and be happy. Kasi yun yung mga madalas niya, di ba, sa host, ganyan. So, nag-undergo pa siya ng Meissner kay Angelique.
Oh, bayani!
Oo, so nag-ano siya. So she's really serious and I'm so happy na. Sabi ko, go mo na to, te.
Sundan mo na agad, di ba? Okay, to our friends pala, sometimes I don't read the question kasi natanong na kanina. So I just have to repeat it. From Vina Vivar to Anne and Echo, ano-ano ang mga changes ng working relationship nyo from then to now? What has changed? Hindi na late.
For itong setting kasi nito, love story siya eh. So we're more comfy na.
Yeah. Oo. What's changed ba?
Dati kasi ako nahihiya pa ako sa kanya dati eh. Lalo na dun sa TV show namin, and then sobrang nahihiya ako sa kanya. So ngayon,
Oo nga, siguro just maturity as actors.
Yeah.
I was about to
Yun
say,
yung-
maturity.
As actors, yun din, and as individuals,
yeah.
maybe that's what's changed. But, in terms of acting, we've had pretty amazing projects together. So,
working on this, you know, it was just so fluid and easy. Like, it was so easy to jump into the character on a daily basis.
Trio na. Kayong tatlo na. Ano yung gusto niyong takeaway ng viewers after watching the movie?
Sana something connected to them in the cuento. I think, like what was being said, it's really the dissection of a love story, and I think everyone's experienced being in love, but it may look different for everyone. But I think in the encapsulation of this 10-year relationship, so many facets of that is shown, and I think that's really interesting. And also, sana ma-appreciate natin like the capability of what we can do with Filipino cinema. I think we're continuing to do that, but even more so with a love story. Yeah.
Jericho, takeaway.
Dapat pagkatapos yung manonood ng sine, iuwi niyo yung natitirang popcorn. Sayang, mahal kasi. But anyway,
Last na yan ah.
hotdog. I think that was very corny.
Kasi
Kasi popcorn.
popcorn
Kailangan yung matandaan na malaman at matandaan na ang pag-ibig ay nag-iibang anyo. Kailangan yung matandaan na ang pag-ibig hindi isang hugis lang. Para sa akin, hindi siya isang uri lang ng pag-ibig. Pwede siyang minto, pero mag-iiba siya ng form. Pwede siyang magtuloy-tuloy, pero mag-iiba siya ng form. Medyo malalim, kaya panoorin niyo yung pelikula. But yun yung takeaway ko, that love wins. Love wins pa rin.
Whatever shape or form, it's still love. Diba? And your takeaway, anong takeaway yung gusto mo?
I feel like if ever it would be to never miss a beat. Never miss a beat when it comes to the person you care about, because it could be that millisecond of a reaction, a nuance, a sigh. That beat is what actually mattered. So, and that could be with anyone in general. It doesn't have to be with your loved one. It could be with friends, family. That beat matters. So, never miss a beat when it comes to love.
Wow! Yan ang gusto kong mapansin sa movie. Kasi nakaka-intrigue yung trailer nyo ha, napanood ko siya. At parang nung una, you were so in love, tapos parang nabaliktad. Parang ganun ba direct?
Secret!
Secret!
Secret! Actually, yung don't miss a beat then, never miss a beat it links up to what Derek said with this movie, diba? Bawal ka pumitik because if you miss that beat, hindi mo maiintindihan yung kwento nila. Tutok!
Don't blink!
Don't blink! Huwag doon cellphone sa singahan.
Don't blink. Okay, from Jerry Donato, Philippine star. Jerry, Murray Jerry. Ano, very rare na umatin ng press con si Jerry, ha? Okay, for Anne and Echo, what does your characters represent or tell about love and romance? Without spoiling. What does your character represent about love and romance?
Ako? Parang ano lang ako? Yung character ko siya yung nag-representa ng traditional na Pilipinong lalaki. Na ito yun, dapat ganito. Dapat ganyan tayo sa isang relationship.
By the book.
Kailangan ganito.
Regardless of the decisions she makes that may not be in line with your values or whatever, but it's choosing to love that person no matter what.
Right. Kat, what does your character represent naman? Parang napatingin ka lang sa taas.
Siguro yung character ko dito, si Nicole, she represents someone who sees potential. I'll leave it at that. She sees potential. My choice din siya.
In what? Potential in what?
Potential in a relationship. Kung meron ba o hindi.
Meron ka bang peg dito direct nung sinulat mo doon? Like meron kang, is it true to life? Inspired by true events?
Inspired by friends. And then, to add lang to that, parang Eric's character, parang nabanggit ko to sa kanila during the shoot, that Eric is about sacrifice and Ellie, for Eric, love is sacrifice. For Ellie, love should be easy. So magkaibang ideology.
Okay. From Jessica Evangelista of Inquirer for Catriona, is it okay for ex-lovers to be friends?
Depende sa inyo. If that's comfortable for you, why not? If you feel like your time together should have a close and you don't need to be friends, that's also okay.
Nice. For Anne and Jericho, how do you ensure that there will be no awkwardness between the two of you during intimate scenes? May intimate scene ba in the first place? Meron. So, how did you make sure that walang awkwardness?
90% ito puro intimate eh.
Baliw.
No, hindi lang kasi para we made sure that we understood kung ano yung kailangan ng storya. Hindi siya ginagawa dahil kailangan lang ipakita na gano'n. Malalim yung pinanggagalingan niya kasi yung mga intimate scenes ay nanggagaling sa... Parang ano yan eh, yung intimate scenes parang pimple yan eh. Epekto lang yan ng kinain niya. Ibig sabihin, epekto ng pagmamahal ng dalawa at ng ano na. So, nagkaroon ng apoy, parang gano'n. At di ba pag kumain ka ng pimple, akala ng mga tao, nagkaka-pimple ka kasi ano, hindi nila alam na pag kinain mo yun, tapos napupunta na gano'n. Ewan ko may ikaw sa science, pasensya na!
Parang hindi.
Mali yata yung movie ko.
Parang hindi ganun siya.
Ganun yun, epekto lang yung pimple, hindi siya dapat ginaganon
Mga algorithm ng TikTok mo, Jericho, ha?
Matagal ko nang alam yung 20 years na. Matagal na ako sa mundong to.
Okay. Anne, same question. Awkwardness in
No,
intimate
no,
scenes.
no awkwardness at all. But can you believe in all the times that we've worked together, this was our first intimate scene? Yeah. So, but I guess because we've known each other for so long, there was no awkwardness at all. And you know, we had an intimacy coordinator, which really, really helped because you know you'll be able to see in that scene like it's so beautiful.
That's so interesting. May intimate scene coordinator.
Yeah.
Parang ganun ngayon.
Oh, wow.
Tsaka yung una, sabi ko kay Ann, okay lang ba kung yung double ko na lang yung makisingsing niya? So,
Parang na-intriga ako doon sa coordinator na yun. Gusto ko siyang ma-meet. Magkwentuhan nga kami yan. Okay. Last question na tayo because we need to move on. From Alex Brosas, I like this. Let's give this to everybody. What is it about love that you were not careful about in the past? I love your question, Alex. What is it about love that you were not careful about in the past? Max, ikaw na mauna.
Ano na, Mac?
Since ikaw yung single. Uy, si Kat single din. Talaga to si Luis.
I think the one thing that I wasn't careful with, at least with my last relationship, which was also 10 years by the way.
Ooh, happy anniversary.
I think what I was least careful about was not being mindful of my partner's love language. Kasi there's a certain way we express ourselves about to show our love to someone. And there's a certain way we choose to receive it. So I think that was what I was least careful about. Because there was a certain way that I wanted to receive it. So I wasn't careful in accepting the way he would show it. That makes sense.
Max, ang ganda. I love it. Importante yun, love language.
Hindi makita to.
Understanding love language. How to receive and give. Luis, ikaw.
Ako siguro, before I was, a bit selfish na in terms of sa ugali ko, kung yung sa mga naging past relationships ko, yung sasabihin ko, hindi, ganito ko you have to accept it eh. Pero in terms of yung real relationship, dapat hindi ganun eh. Dapat hindi yung parang, kung ganito lang ako dapat tanggapin mo. It's always, parang teamwork parati. So, always think na to be a better person dun sa taong mahal ka.
Ian?
I think my point kanina na sobrang ganda, which was loving somebody even when they choose things that you would not choose. Like yung version nila na hindi necessarily the exact of what you have in your mind.
but like you have to love them regardless. So I think that's awesome, and I'm very excited to see the movie.
Kat.
Something that I wasn't careful with in love before was I always used to see love as such a sacrifice for the other person. Na siguro sa pagka-giving ng personality ko, I forgot to give to myself. So a certain sense of a loss of self, a loss of priority of self, knowing when to withdraw, masyadong kong nag-give.
Ganda. Direk, kasama ka? Yes, of course.
Nasa script na lang.
So, sa'yo to, kwento mo to, gano'n.
Hindi. Hindi, siguro, basta dapat yung pag-ibig hindi siya hinahabol.
Ooh, love that. Dapat ang pag-ibig hindi hinahabol. Galing.
Alam ko yun, direct, di ba hinahabol ka dun sa jeep?
Ganda. Jericho.
Dati kasi lagi ako nagpapalibre. Hindi ko naiintindihan na kailangan pala magbayad din ako pag kumakain kami. Don't joke lang.
Naipon eh.
No. I love eating, going out. But I think the one thing is that I love giving and giving and giving. Kasi dati kasi may idea ako kung ano dapat yung pag-ibig. Coming from broken family, di ba? So may idea ka na dapat ganito, ganyan, ganito yung gusto kong maging, ayoko maging ganyan. So meron akong ideas kung paano ang relationship, paano magmahal. So ngayon, ang nangyari doon, hindi na ako natutong makinig. So nakalimutan kong makinig. Akala ko, bigay ka lang, yan ginagawa mo, very sacrificial. Bigay ka ng bigay, hindi ka na nakikinig. Ano pala yung gusto ng mahal mo? Parang yung love language din, di ba? Ito pala yung gusto niya. Ganito pala niya gustong mahalin siya. Yun. Ngayon nakikinig na ako. Nalilibre na ako.
Galing. Ganda nun. Yung pa rin ang ending, libre pa rin. What is it about love that you were not careful about in the past?
Siguro it's when you probably you end up loving so much that you don't take time to take a step back and see if you're being loved the same way in return. Because when you're in love, you had those glasses on, and you're just thinking like this is a perfect situation. But in fact, you need to have a reality check from time to time and see like, wait lang, ako lang ba yung lover dito? Kailan kaya magiging the loved one?
This is what I like about this movie ngayon pa lang. Gents, let me call back our Mother Beep card. Asan ang ating Mother Beep card? Ina! Okay, asan ang mic mo? Ayaw ka nang pasalitain. Okay.
Thank you po.
Let's ask everybody to invite everyone. Let's start with Max. Max, please invite everybody.
Hello everybody, inviting you all to please watch The Loved One, showing na ngayong Feb 10. Feb 11. Sana iisali nyo kami sa Valentine's plans nyo.
Ganda. Luis!
Yes, hello. Please don't forget to watch and promote. Pagsabihin nyo na rin yung pagkalat nyo, The Loved One, February 11 na po.
Ian!
Ayun, I hope everybody watches The Loved One on February 11. It's gonna be an exciting movie about different kinds of sections of what love looks like. So, exciting yan.
In her actress era, Catriona.
Hi, learners! I hope that you watch The Loved One. Bring your friends, bring your family. Pwede din dali ng mga ex nyo. Bahala kayo sa'yo. Pero sana ma-enjoy kayo. And also share it, talk about it, discuss it. It has a lot of things to explore.
Direct Irene.
Yes po, February 11, The Loved One. Masaktan, magmahal, maligayahan. Magsini kayo!
Yun! Jericho!
Okay, mention na yung date. It's February 11. The Loved One. It's the ultimate date movie of the year. Kasi kami lang eh. No, I'm kidding. But we'll see you guys there and abangan nyo pa yung mga appearances namin. Who knows, we might just pop Popping sa mga sinehan, lalo na dito sa Robinsons. Maraming salamat Robinsons for hosting us. Thank you very much, Andrew. Thank you. See you guys. We love you.
And we're excited to see her back on the big screen.
Yes! Hello again, everyone. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nagpunta dito ngayong gabi. Sobra kaming nagpapasalamat. You joined us until dinner time. Pero para ito sa mga nasaktan, nagmamahal at patuloy na naghihintay pa rin. Para sa inyo po ito. February 11 in cinemas. I hope you guys can watch it. The Loved One.
Alright! Yes, Mother Beat Card.
Yes, at syempre dahil yung Valentine offering ko, na-appreciate namin na nandito lahat ng cast ng The Loved One. So, meron kami pa flower.
Oh, wow! Grabe naman!